Good afternoon to my viewers as well as the students present in the class. Today I am going to start the integration by parts. Integration by parts. See, question number 1. Question number 1 it is given. Integrate the following integrals or evaluate the following integrals. X into e to the power 3x dx. X into e to the power 3x, x into e to the power, here two functions, one is algebraic function and is exponential function, okay. As per the rule of Euler, already I have told before, x is the first function, integration of second dx minus integration sign, derivative of first function into integration of that you have written here second function dx whole dx. Okay. After that, x into what is the integration of e to the 3? This will be e to the 3x by 3. Coefficient of x is divided. Minus integration sign derivative of x, that is 1. Here e to the 3x integration is e to the power 3x by 3 whole dx. Okay. Now this is nothing but 1 by 3 x into e to the power 3x. Here 1 by 3 taken outside, integration of e to the power 3x dx. Okay. Now tell me x into e to the 3x, and this will be, what is the integration of e to the 3? This will be e to 3x by 3, that is 1 by 9 e to the power 3x plus c. This is the question number 1 using integration by parts, and the rule is Euler. Rule is Euler, L-A-T-E-E. I means inverse trigonometric function, L means logarithm function, A stands for algebraic function, T stands for trigonometric function, E stands for exponential function. But here two functions, one is algebraic function and another is exponential function. Algebraic means here A will come first, that is the first function, and exponential function will be the second, as per the rule Euler. Okay. First question I have completed. Let us do number 2 question. See, question number 2 it is given. Integration 2x plus 5 sin 2x sin 2x dx. Okay. First of all, you have to open the bracket. That means 2 integration 2x sin 2x dx plus 5 constant taking outside sin 2x dx. Just opening the bracket. Here 2 is taken outside, x into sin 2x. Here also 2 function. And what is the integration of sin 2x? That is minus cos 2x. The coefficient of it divided. Okay. The second was completed. Here you have to apply by parts. X into integration of sin 2x dx minus integration sin derivative of x, that is 1, integration of sin 2x is right, that is minus cos 2x by 2, directly I am writing here whole dx, bracket close, and this one is minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, this is cos 2x, minus 5 by 2 cos 2x. Okay. Now if I open the bracket, this should be 2x and integration of sin 2x, that is minus cos 2x by 2, and this 2, if I 2 multiply, this 2 will be cancelled, this will be plus integration of cos 2x, that will be integration of cos, that will be sin 2x by 2. First of all, I am 2 opening, 2 multiplying here, 2 cancel, this minus 1 plus cos 2x into sin 2x by 2, and here minus 5 by 2 cos 2x plus c. Finally, what will get here? Just 2 cancel, here minus x cos 2x plus 1 by 2 sin 2x minus 5 by 2 cos 2x, yes or no, plus c is the answer. In this short, two questions are completed, that is integration by parts. Let us see the next. Question number 3. Question given integration of sin inverse x dx. Here only one function given, that is the inverse function. That means there is no other function. That means you have to assume sin inverse x is the first function into 1 is the second function. Okay. The first function you take sin inverse x integration of 1 dx minus sin integration of derivative of first function into integration of 1 dx whole dx. Okay. After that you see this 1 dx means integration will be x sin inverse x minus what is the derivative of 1 derivative sin inverse x, that is 1 by 1 minus x square root over this is x, that means x by this whole dx. Okay. This one is x sin inverse x minus, how to do this one? You have to take the by substitution method. Okay. This 1 minus x square we take as u. So what is the derivative of let writing here, let 1 minus x square equal to u. This is minus 2x dx equal to dx. Okay. So write here plus, that is minus 2x dx will be du, and this is nothing but u root over. Okay. Du by u root over. The final it will be x sin inverse x plus half. This is u to the power minus half, u to the power minus half plus 1, that is 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. Half of cancel, x sin inverse x plus u means what? 1 minus x square root over plus c. So what is the answer? X sin inverse x plus 1 minus x square root over plus c. In this way number 3 question also completed. Okay. Just for your coming unit test, I am doing some more sums, last sum, that is number 4. Okay, last question. It is given integration x into sin x dx. Question given x into sin x. Here x is the algebraic function, sin x is the trigonometric function. X into integration of sin x dx minus integration sin derivative of x integration of sin x dx whole dx. Okay. So what is the integration of sin x? That is minus cos x minus integration sin, the derivative of x is 1, sin x integration is minus cos x dx. Finally we are getting minus x cos x, this is plus cos x dx. So what is the result? The minus x cos x. What is the integration of cos x? That is sin x plus c. In this way I completed 4 questions, that is integration by parts for your class 12 exam ICT. Okay, thank you for today's class.